beautiful morning.
Yes, it is.
Dinners. He is so excited.
You guys know we can't sing for the life of us. We'll just stop there so you don't stop watching the video. But good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
We know it's a good day when Jared has his Florida shirt on.
Yeah, and I got my JB hat on, but I asked Brittany, what looks better, this or this?
It's gonna get dark here for a second because we're about to go through the
tunnel
under the river.
Yeah, baby!
Loud.
I don't know if you guys remember when Brandon and I drove the Lamborghini underneath this tunnel. Really cool to hear that Lambo sound, that's for sure.
So we were just under the new river, which if you saw our last video, go back and check it out. We had the most incredible day out on the water.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
With the sweetest friends. If you're ever thinking of coming to Fort Lauderdale, go watch that video. It was like one of our favorite things to do.
It's seriously like so much fun. Just taking a boat around the intercoastal. Best way to see Fort Lauderdale.
Yes, we missed you. We hope you had a wonderful weekend. As you can tell, I look a little different today. Someone got her hair touched up and I'm feeling...
I forgot, you guys haven't seen that. Right? It was done on Saturday, yeah.
I know, Saturday, I got my hair done. Jared was really busy with some work and church stuff.
There was a baptism, went to that was cool.
Yeah, we just had a busy, good weekend. Plus, you guys, as you can probably tell from the title of this video, we have some visitors coming to town, which we are so excited about. Oh my gosh. So
and we're not gonna make you guys wait that much longer. It's gonna be like maybe 20 seconds.
It's gonna be this video. You find out who is here, which we are so excited. This is kind of a very last minute visit. We got a call a few days ago. Yeah. And they were like, you know what? We have spring break. What are your guys' thoughts? Can we come out and see you? And we were like, heck yeah. But they are here for a week, so it's gonna be awesome.
We're gonna be doing a ton of new stuff with them that they've never done before, and a lot of stuff that you guys have not seen either.
I know, so get ready guys. You're coming to Florida as well. And then, just a little spoiler alert, 2 days later, they leave, and then we have another set of visitors coming for another week. So
yeah, it's gonna be packed.
We are full tour guide mode right now.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun, baby. You guys are full on sweat. Your door, sir?
Oh, thank you.
Hi, guys.
This morning he was legit dumping at the Salt Lake Airport.
For real?
Yeah. I took a video of it. I was like, oh my gosh.
Guys, this is Connor and Alexa. For those of you who do not know, Connor is my cousin. Alexa is his significant other. It's his wife.
AKA wife.
Partner. We like to call each other partner.
Long life friends.
Partner in crime. Oh my gosh, you guys are here.
I know, dude. Such a last minute. Thank you so much, by the way.
Oh,
of
my
course,
gosh.
yeah.
You guys, these guys have been traveling all through the night.
Yes.
So...
Red eye, quick layover, then back here.
So you guys ready to go party right now? Or?
Yeah.
Woo!
Shotgun or rain or something.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute. They're like Uber drivers.
Hey, I'm not saying
Jared, can you put up the window?
Oh yeah, privacy window. Guys, we are stoked to have them for the week. We're gonna be doing so many new fun things, stuff they've never done before. We're pretty pumped.
Buckle up.
But right now, I think that we're gonna let them relax.
Yeah, we gotta take the excitement down.
Yeah, party!
Home sweet home, you two.
Yeah, party!
Welcome home, Connor. Do you guys already feel relaxed?
Yes. I forgot the sunshine.
It shines.
Ooh, ah. Yeah! Look how wide I am. Hold on, wait. What's wider, me or the yacht? I need to put on some deodorant too. It's been a long night. So crazy thing, it was actually snowing when they left, and yesterday morning it was a full-on just like blizzard.
Oh my gosh, they were just showing us pictures, you guys. That's crazy.
So as you guys know, I love this stuff out in Panama. Found it here. told Connor, go try some guava. This is 100% guava, almost.
He's never had guava juice.
Oh, that's good.
Do you really like it?
No, it's really good. Yeah. I'll take it.
Nice. Oh my gosh. How did you do that? What? He just drank that whole thing.
You think I got this for no reason?
All right, so we're starting out. We're gonna make some sandwiches. Connor's making faces at me. We're gonna make some sandwiches. What are you guys thinking? Pool for a little bit?
Yeah.
What are you?
Anything with the sun.
Anything
Ooh.
with the sun is what they're-
Yeah, it looks like you really need it.
Yeah.
Alexa, that's a really cool all white outfit. I love that.
Yeah, dude.
That's amazing. Even like the stockings. Look at the stockings you have. That's great.
She was like, I can't go to Florida pale. And so we were like, okay, let's try this fake tanner stuff. Turns out it's like 6 months expired.
Connor's like, did you get your face yet? And I was like, yeah. And then he's like, so he takes my loofah and just starts like throwing.
What? How did that happen?
I thought there was a top on here I had to pull off. So I shook it again.
Literal
Look at
protein
this
shake
stove.
everywhere. Oh,
is so
all
bad.
over me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
It's like halfway gone now.
It's okay. Finn's gonna be jacked after.
Well, that's one way to start the day. There we go.
Okay, we decided to come out to the pool right now. Connor is really excited to get in the pool, and we brought out the Lafitte S1 Pro water scooter. We have talked about this thing a bunch. I will link it down below for anyone who's interested, but he is trying this out for the very first time. Scuba Steve.
He's gonna run into stuff.
It's actually made for like scuba diving, snorkeling, but it's so much fun to play around here in the pool. He just pushed off from there and he's right here and he's still going. Taking it scuba diving before down in Panama, which was a blast. My mom took it down there. We played it with my mom as well here at the pool when people thought we were kids.
Right, we were telling them it's in the high 80s right now. This is
Yeah.
the warmest it's been in a little bit.
It's been amazing.
So the next few days will be in the high 80s, which feels great with the breeze.
Yeah, it's
and then
been
it
really
gets
good.
back down to around 80, which will be perfect.
How is it, dude?
Good.
Yeah. You like it?
No. When I pull it, it blows all the water and makes my belly jiggle.
I love it. That's awesome.
And you get to hold your breath for way longer.
Oh, I know, because you don't have to use any effort. It's awesome.
How was the first little round of sun?
Good?
He's already burnt.
Yeah, we already got a little color.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
Christmas.
So red.
It
Yeah.
does look red. Even sunscreen, you guys.
Jared told me the trick though.
Yes.
Hydrate,
Yep.
ibuprofen, shower and lotion.
That's right. Every
First
hour
shower
do
in
that.
weeks.
Just with the lotion. Yeah, you got it. Your body needs the moisture. So
We
anyway.
already said first shower in a week.
Oh.
I'm not kidding. I mean, I wasn't gonna say anything, but.
Connor just asked who brings the camera to dinner. We do! Guys, we're at Shooters right now. It's one of our favorite restaurants to come to. Usually it's packed, but luckily we're able to get in, even though we're sitting inside.
Yeah, usually you have to get a reservation like
Yeah.
weeks in advance.
Yeah.
To sit outside.
Yeah.
But we're gonna eat inside, then go
Yeah.
walk outside.
I know, you get the AC out here, it's like blistering hot right now, so it's perfect.
So this is right on the Intercoastal. So
Yeah.
it's a really fun restaurant.
We were just saying how cute the decor and homey. Oh, you're even hugging a pillow.
You could literally fall asleep.
Yeah, we got a little nap in.
And while they were napping, I decided to go to the gym. And it felt good to go back to the gym just because it's been like, I don't know, 2 years since I've been there. But I went to the gym, and after the surgery, I've been trying to ease into it. I've been using basically my body weight. It's been good so far.
Give this video a thumbs up for Jared going to the gym, everyone.
Thank you, thank you.
And he ordered a watermelon salad.
I did.
We just got some appetizers. We got coconut shrimp, and then these are new. We've never tried these.
I know, these look good.
Connor ordered these. These were, what were they? Guava.
Guava, right up my alley. That's some of that
Guava
drink.
weed. Oh my gosh.
Guava, now that's all we want.
Verdicts in, appetizers.
Delicious. They were so good. Our entrees are now here, and I got the healthy stuff. Hey, I gotta be, after my surgery, I've gotta eat healthy, gotta work out.
Jared got the burrata watermelon salad.
Yeah, it does look good.
We're actually gonna share. So you got that, and then look at this. This is the Szechuan shrimp salad.
That looks really good.
Alexa got the Cobb salad, which looks amazing.
Largest Cobb salad.
Yeah.
That thing is giant.
And Connor got, what did you get, Connor?
The Cajun shrimp.
Cajun shrimp fettuccine.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's gonna pinch you.
That's okay.
Connor, it's gonna pinch you. Oh my gosh.
Just kidding. Wow, that's crazy.
No, I don't want to hold it.
What a day, guys. We're gonna close it out.
Heck yeah. No, keep going.
So we went to dinner, finished up. Then little Finners needed a walk. Look at that. He is a tired boy. So gave him a little walk. It was nice and cool breeze, cool ocean breeze, instead of a freezing, snowy breeze. So that was really nice. But we're gonna call it a day. We're tired. I'm running off like 2 hours of sleep. That's why I'm doing this.
Here, why are you not even here? I mean, Connor's got this hand.
Brittany, you are so tan.
Hey,
well, now that I feel,
you're a lobster.
I know.
You're not actually. You look great.
Yeah.
What's that red?
Oh,
First day.
I'm married. Married. Have fun editing this.
Keep that all in.
All right.
I'm sure you guys are rolling in the back, but yes, it has been a day. Hold on. He's trying to turn off the camera. He's like, this is not your vlog, it's mine.
You guys not subscribe, hit that subscribe button. We have a ton more stuff coming up that's really fun, especially for these guys. But they're dragging, so we're calling it right now. We love you. Until next time. See you later.
See y'all.